every morning, the sun's not even up yet, fully, we play in her jumper after we have breakfast, and I watch like home reno shows. I wanted to tell you guys that if your baby has cradle cap, or dry scalp, like little flakes of dead skin, so what you can do is, last night I put baby oil on her head, and then as she was in her diaper before her bath, I just took a comb and I combed her whole head, and all of it came off, and then I just wiped it off with like a paper towel from the comb, and then I put her in the bathtub and then shampooed her hair, and then took the face cloth, and she's watching TV. Don't watch TV, no, you're too little. Good girl. And it all came off, and she's got a nice clean scalp. Watch, I'm gonna flip the screen up so she can see herself. Blake? We got the baby? Oh, say hi, baby. Is it the baby? Oh, she's like so excited. You want to eat the camera, don't you? Say, I go eat you guys. I go eat you, I go eat you. So I just attempted, well I did after, but I attempted to vacuum the house, and I don't know why, but all of a sudden the little missus is afraid of the vacuum cleaner. She never used to be. I used to vacuum, she's over there. I used to vacuum in front of her all the time, and she never cared, but I think our vacuum got something stuck in it and it made a really loud noise one day, and it scared her and she started to cry, and ever since then she hates the vacuum cleaner. So she was in her little jumper thingy there, and I started to vacuum, and I'm just gonna wash the floors as I'm doing this, as I'm talking to you guys. And so as I'm vacuuming, she started to cry. So watch out, Dougie. So I had to pick her up, and I vacuumed with her in my arms, and she kind of she didn't cry when I picked her up and when she was in my arms, but she was kind of like a little, you could tell she was scared. But I just said to her, it's okay, look, we're cleaning, we're getting all the crumbs, and I just kind of talked to her, and then she was fine. I mean, she still wasn't a huge fan, but she kind of calmed down a little bit after that, because I thought to myself, okay, this is goes back to I guess, sorry, I'm trying to wash my floor and talk to you at the same time. It goes back to parenting styles, I guess, but I don't want her to, she's jumping away. I don't want her to ever be afraid of something and then me just oh, I'll just now do it while you sleep and you'll never have to deal with it. Because obviously if she's really terrified, I'm not gonna bring it near her and stuff, but I do think that part of it is you have to teach your kids it's okay, it's not bad, it's not evil, and if they're really upset, then obviously stop and try again, maybe another time. But she was fine when I was holding her, so I just basically held her and just said, it's okay, we're getting all the stuff, and now she's totally fine. And she was fine even when I had the vacuum running, but for the next couple times I might have to hold her, and then I'll put her down and see if she'll kind of let me vacuum. So another thing I get asked a lot on here that I thought I should share with you guys is how I keep my house relatively clean. I mean, you guys are seeing it on camera, so you don't get to see the up close, that it's actually not always that clean. But this is kind of what I do. So I vacuum and I'll wash the floors when she is in her jumper, and also when she's napping. I have to vacuum every single day because I have a German Shepherd. But I also wash the floors. She's jumping away. I also wash the floors a couple times a week, just because, you know, he's outside in the backyard, and then if she's she's not crawling yet, but when she is crawling, you know, I don't want him to step in his poo and then come in here and her be crawling in. Ugh, it's just disgusting. So I will probably wash the floors every day after she starts crawling, but for right now I just do it like a couple times a day, just so that everything's nice and clean. I always do like the kitchen because that's where we have a lot of traffic, and it's just nice to keep everything kind of clean. I really need to clean the bathroom upstairs, like our bathroom, because it's pretty bad. Like, it's not terrible. Like, I did the sinks this morning, but it needs like a thorough clean. Like, sometimes I'll just do a quick one that's like 10-minute little, you know, like the toilets and the sinks, and so it looks clean. But really, if you got down on your hands and knees, you'd be like, it's not clean. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's kind of what I need to do today. But yeah, anytime you get like 5-10 minutes, just like go around and pick stuff up. I cleaned up from lunch, so I sprayed all the countertops in the kitchen down with vinegar and water. Hi, I see you. I see you. Jump, jump, jump. So I literally, because otherwise like you don't have time to clean, so you just have to kind of do a little bit, 10 to 15 minutes here and there, kind of the best that you can, and then it's not so bad. It doesn't seem so daunting the next time you go to do it. So that's my little tip. And I'll probably clean the bathroom later because it's just like a disaster. But if your kids are afraid of anything like vacuums, dishwashers, washing machines, or anything like that, leave it in the comments down below. Cause yeah, she's afraid of the vacuum cleaner now. So, but I'll get her out of it. We'll work with it. This has been sitting here all day and I still have not gotten to it, but that's okay. So I did go down I started to nap while she naps. I only had my eyes closed for like 10 minutes, and then I realized that I need to make her baby food because I'm out baby food. So I was like, crap. So I just had a little 10-minute shut-eye, which was enough for me. I mean, just like a really quick something to kind of refresh me. So I am gonna make her some baby food. Sorry for the lighting. I'm gonna have a couple walnuts, I think, because I'm kind of hungry again. And yeah, so it's always like one of those things where you try and nap and then you realize you have too much stuff to do. So that's being a mom. Baby comes first, right? So I'm gonna make her some baby food and then she should be up within half an hour. I apologize. This is so rude to eat with my mouth open. Or chew with my mouth open. Sorry. So we've got apples for applesauce, and I did carrots as well. And while I was making that, instead of having like a snack, I just had, I just had some walnuts, and then look at this postpartum hair. Sorry, I'm like ADD, but look at this. Oh my god. I just had walnuts, and I had a couple pieces of apple slices, and then I had some carrot, and I'm full. And honestly, drinking more water, and I can tell, well, drinking more water makes me have to pee, obviously, but I can tell that now that I'm eating better, I am losing weight because I am peeing 24/7. So you can tell that like all the water weight is coming out. So that's really good. All the water weight's coming out of me, so that's really good. So yeah, stick with this plan because so far it's working, and I'll let you guys know. Like, I will weigh in every week and tell you how much. Whoa, that scared me. I was like, what is that? It's just my dog. I will tell you how much I've lost and stuff like that. So we've got 5 containers for her carrot to go in the freezer, and then I've got that much left over of carrot, and we also have applesauce, so we're good. This will last her about 5 days, I would say. She has about 1 of these and a fruit and 2 rice cereal a day, so it'll last her, yeah, about 5 days, I would say, although I will have to get some more fruit. But yeah, now I have all of this to clean up, and just want to say, I literally do dishes and laundry every single day of my entire life. I swear to God, no matter how caught up I am, I always have dishes and laundry to do, like all the time. I also, let me know in the comments down below too. Colin's been gone all this week to Calgary, And when he's gone, I don't feel like cooking for myself because I'm so sick of doing dishes all day long and cleaning up and all this stuff that I just don't feel like cooking for myself really. So let me know if you guys are like that. And sometimes I just make myself like a smoothie bowl, or I'll have peanut butter and jam with some scrambled eggs because I just don't want to cook. So I'm probably gonna have scrambled eggs for dinner because yeah, phone's diggling, because yeah, I don't care to cook myself a big meal because I'm just too tired by the end of the day, and I'm just like, whatever. Like, it's just me. I'll just do something healthy and like quick. So let me know if any of you other mothers are like that. So that little snack I had of like carrots, apple, and walnuts were not enough for me. So I am just having my smoothie bowl that has a whole avocado in it. So that will definitely fill me because it's super high in fat. So I'm just gonna eat this, and I'm gonna leave the dishes because I don't feel like doing them. So I wanted to show you guys, this is the bathing suit I got for Blake. It's 6 to 12 month size, and it's not like the cutest thing you've ever seen. I thought it was adorable. It's got like a retro feel. So it's just like a really nice material, and yeah, it's size 6 to 12 month. And I would have gone bigger, but she's just a little peanut. So I think 6 to 12 month will fit. 12 month, sorry, I'm tired, will fit her for a while, and it's really, really cute, and she is going to do swim classes again here shortly. So yeah, really cute. And I'm gonna go because I just put her to bed. It's 20 to 6. I look crazy. It's 20 to 6, but she had been up since 2:30. So yeah, she's a little tired. So I put her down. She was exhausted. She loves her new ducky tub. And if you want to see a picture, the cutest picture I think I've ever taken of her, it's on my Instagram. It's Lindsay Christine M. I'll link it down below. I can't talk. I'm so tired. Do you see these? Look at these baby hairs. Like, look at that. OMG. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make some quick dinner for myself, just some eggs because I don't feel like doing anything else, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.